continuous miscellaneous exercise. Now first question. Question number first. Cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6. Okay. Its solution. Since we know that cos inverse cos theta equal theta. If theta belongs to cos theta, then cos inverse length is 0 to pi, which is the principal value prime. So then we can write this question cos 13 pi by 6 in this form: cos inverse cos 2 pi plus pi by 6. Okay. Now next step, cos inverse cos 2 pi plus pi by 6. It makes first quadrant, or we know that first quadrant cos is positive. So we can write now cos 2 pi plus pi by 6 in form of pi by 6. Now cos inverse to cos cancel. This value pi by 6 belongs to its length 0 to pi. So its answer is pi by 6. Now next question. Question number 3. Prove that 2 sin inverse 3 by 5 equal tan inverse 24 by 7. Okay. Now its solution. Let sin inverse 3 by 5 equal x. This implies sin x equal 3 by 5. We know sin equal to p upon h. In a right angle triangle where p value is 3 and hypotenuse is 5, so its base is 4. So value of sin x equal to 3 by 5 convert in form of tan. So value of tan x equal p upon b equal 3 by 4. So then sin inverse 3 by 5 equal tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay. Now LHS part. LHS part. 2 sin inverse 3 by 5 equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay. We know the identity 2 tan inverse x. Identity of 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x upon 1 plus 1 minus x square. Okay. So then 2 tan inverse 3 by 4, whereas x is 3 by 4. This implies tan inverse 2 into 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 का whole square. Okay. Now next step. Tan inverse 3 by 2 upon LCM 1 minus 9 by 60. This implies tan inverse 3 by 2 upon LCM 16 minus 9. This implies tan inverse 3 by 2 upon 7 by 60. Now simplify it. Tan inverse 3 by 2 into 16 by 7. 16 gets into 8 times. The value is tan inverse 24 by 7 equal RHS part. Hence 2. the 5 whose inverse root upon 5 plus whose inverse 12 by 30 equal whose inverse 33 upon 65. Now, its solution, let whose inverse 4 upon 5 equal to x. This implies cos x equal to 4 upon 5. In a right angle triangle, we know that value of cos x equal to b upon x, where b value is 4 and x equal to 5. So its perpendicular value is 3. Now value of cos x in plane form equal p upon g. This implies value is 3 by 4. Okay, so x equal tan inverse 3 by 4, equation first. And again let cos inverse 12 by 30 equal y. This implies cos y equal 12 by 30. Now similar b upon x in a right angle triangle where base is 12 and hypotenuse is 30. So its perpendicular is equal to 5. Now value of cos y in tan form, tan y equal b upon b equal 5 by 12. So value of y equal tan inverse 5 by 12, equation 6. Now LHS part. LHS part, cos inverse 4 upon 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 30 equal value of cos inverse 4 upon 5 equal tan inverse 3 by 4 plus value of cos inverse 5 equal tan inverse 5 by 12. Okay, we know that since identity of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus y minus x square. This implies tan inverse x value is 3 by 4 plus y value is 5 by 12 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. Now its simplification, tan inverse LCM 4 into 12. This implies 36 plus 20 upon. Now second LCM is 4 into 12. This implies 48 minus 50. Okay. Now cancel 4 into 12 to 4 into 12. This implies tan inverse 56 upon 33. Okay. Now next question number 8. Tan inverse 1 upon 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 8 equal 5 by 4. How to get? Now its solution. Since we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where x value is considered to 1 upon 5 and second y value is 1 upon 7. This implies now LHS part tan inverse 1 upon 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 first part plus tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 8. Second part. Apply identity. Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. And apply second. Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x. Now simplify it. Tan inverse LCM 35, then say 1 plus 5 upon LCM 35, 35 minus 1 plus tan inverse LCM 24, 8 plus 3 upon LCM 24, 24 minus 1. 24 to 24 cancel and 35 to 35 cancel. Now let's take tan inverse 12 by 30 plus tan inverse 11 by 20. Now again apply 12 to 34 cancel, then 6 times and 17 times. Now let's take tan inverse 6 by 17 plus tan inverse 11 by 23. Now apply identity. Tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x. Next step, tan inverse LCM 17 into 23, then 23 into 6, 12 and 18, 138 plus 17 into 11, 187 upon LCM 17 into 23, then 7 are 51 and 34 5, 39 minus 11 is 66. Cancel. This implies tan inverse value is 18 and 31 and 325 and value is 391 minus 66 equals 325. 325 to 325 cancel. This implies tan inverse 1 and value of tan inverse 1 equals pi by 4 and 2. Now next question number 11. Tan inverse under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x upon under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x equal pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x, where x is greater than equal to minus 1 upon root 2 and less than equal 1. Now its solution, let x equal cos 2 theta. Okay, this implies 2 theta equal cos inverse x. Now this implies theta equal 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Let's equation first. Now analysis part, tan inverse under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x upon under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 minus x equal tan inverse under root 1 plus x is substituted to cos 2 theta minus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta upon under root 1 plus cos 2 theta plus under root 1 minus cos 2 theta. We know that the identity of cos 2 theta 1 plus cos 2 theta equal 2 cos square theta. आप लेंगे फॉर्मूला, सो अंडर रूट 1 plus cos 2 theta equal 2 cos square theta equal under root 2 sin square theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta equal under root 2 cos square theta plus under root 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now tan inverse root 2 is common. Then cos square theta cancel to root. Then cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. Upon again root 2 is common. Then consider cos square cancel to root. Then cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. Root 2 cancel. Now next step is tan inverse cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. Now next step tan inverse cos theta is common. Then 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. And second denominator, cos theta is common. Then 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Okay. Now again cos theta to cos theta cancel. Then next step tan inverse 1 minus sin upon cos tan theta upon 1 plus sin upon cos tan theta. Okay. We know that value of 1 in tan inverse pi by tan inverse 1 value is pi by 4. So 1 can be right now 1 value is tan pi by 4. So then 1 value is tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta. Okay. This identity is tan x tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b equal tan a minus b. So tan pi by 4 minus theta. Okay. Identity applied. Then tan a minus tan b upon 1 minus tan 1 plus tan a tan b equal tan a minus b. And now next step tan inverse take pi by 4 minus theta. Tan to tan inverse cancel. This implies pi by 4 minus theta. Put the value of theta by equation number first. So then pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x, which is RHS part. Hence proved. Next question number 12. Prove that 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 equal 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. Now its solution, LHS part. 9 pi by 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 equal 9 pi by 4 is common. Then pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 upon 3. Since we know that property sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal pi by. So then cos inverse x equal pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So 9 pi by 4 into pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3 equal cos inverse 1 by 3. Okay, let cos inverse 1 by 3 equal x. This implies cos x equal 1 by 3. We know that cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. Which angle? X, where base is 1 and hypotenuse is 3. So its perpendicular value is 2√2. Okay, so its value in sine form, sin is equal perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So value is 2√2 upon 3. So value of x equal sin inverse 2 upon 2, 2√2 upon 3. Now this value put in equation 1, from equation 1, then 9 by 4 cos inverse 1 by 3 value is sin inverse 2√2 upon 3, which is RHS part, and proved. Okay. Now next question, question number 14. Solve the equation tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x equal 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Now its solution, let x equal tan theta. This implies theta equal tan inverse x. Okay. Now its next step, tan inverse 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta equal 1 by 2. Tan inverse x equals theta. So 1 by 2 into theta. Now next step, tan inverse. We can write now one value is tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Okay, equal 1 by 2 theta. Now next step, tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan theta, which is the identity of tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So since we know tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B equal tan A minus B. So then tan inverse tan A value is pi by 4 and its B value is theta equal 1 by 2. Next step is tan inverse to tan cancel. So then pi by 4 minus theta equal 1 by 2 theta. This implies pi by 4 equal 1 by 2 theta plus theta. Okay. Now next step, pi by 4 equal pi by 2 theta plus theta equal 3 by 2 theta. 4 to cancel 2 times, 2 to 2 1 time, then pi by 6 equal theta, and value of theta equal tan inverse x. So tan pi by 6 equal x, and we know that value of tan pi by 6 equal 1 upon root 3 equal x. So answer is x equal 1 upon root. Okay.